When all of this is over, we will have discovered that was the most important thing all along. This is a close exercise that most teachers will be familiar with, and I've been posing it to school leaders and to principals and to assistant principals in all of the groups that I work with all around Australia over the last few months. A few months that has been preceded by an educational bin fire called 2020 that have revealed for us some really interesting answers. Their answers have been around connection, around relationship, around achievement, and around well-being. And when I put to those school leaders that what they're really talking about is culture, what they're really talking about is how do we create a school culture where all of those things can be realised and optimised, they say, that's it. That's what we're working on. Well, this leads us to two other really important questions, and they are, so what? Now what? What we're going to do in a 3-hour opportunity called Leading School Culture is answer those questions together. We're also going to determine a really clear, practical definition around school culture. What do we mean by school culture that you can take back to your school? We're going to determine a preferred, a desirable culture for your school. And we're also going to get started on the roadmap, on the steps that you will need to take in order to get to that culture. Because when you establish and embed that culture, that's when your objectives have a chance to be achieved. That's when your goals have a chance to be realised. And that's when we will have shown that we will have learned from 2020. I can't wait to meet you. Around this video somewhere is a link that allows you to register for a very important event in either Melbourne, Sydney or Brisbane, and I just reckon you should click on it.